Hey guys, welcome back to yet another interesting video of How Logical, and in this video I'm going to show you how to link Google Authenticator to crypto.com. So without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Now, in order to link your Google Authenticator to crypto.com, you just simply have to open your Google Authenticator application. Then after that, you'll get to see this home page into here. Now you just simply have to tap into this plus icon at the bottom right corner, and from there you will get to see this enter a setup key option. Just simply tap into that, and now into this page you just simply have to name this one crypto.com at first. Then after that, just simply open your settings into crypto.com, and from there get the security key of authentication section into there. Then after that, paste that security key into this your key section, and after that you will have to tap into this add button. Then after doing this very easy process, your Google Authenticator will successfully be linked to crypto.com. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.